back to our channel, Little Hands by Vaishvik
and Srinithi.
Today we are going to do a video on air. So let's get started with this air video. What is air? Have you ever seen air? No, you haven't. We cannot see air, but we could still feel it. Do you want to learn more about air? So air is one of the most important things to live. So we need air to breathe in and breathe out. Plants need air to grow fruits and have their own food. And air could be used for almost everything. Now let's learn more about air. So now I'm going to tell the gases in air. So the gases are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, neon and hydrogen. So nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is 21% and carbon dioxide is less than 1% in our atmosphere, which is the sky we see. Now I'm going to tell about some gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. So oxygen is the gas we breathe in. So when we breathe in oxygen, we are actually taking some oxygen from our atmosphere. And when we breathe out carbon dioxide, we're releasing some of the gas that was in our body. And carbon dioxide also helps plants make their food, and plants give out oxygen for humans to breathe and all the other animals in the world to breathe. So now I'm going to tell some properties of our friend air, because without air we can't live. Now I'm going to tell about air has weight. Nitty. So we made this simple project. So we tied an empty balloon on this end and tied up a full blown balloon on this side. You could see when you hold it, the one with air is going down because the air inside it is making it go down and then making the balloon have weight. And there is no air inside this, so there is no possible way that this could go like that. In this way we proved air has weight. Now let's move on to the next one. So now I'm going to tell about air occupies space. So we are going to do this simple experiment by blowing a balloon. My sister is also going to try this experiment.
Hooray! I'm trying too!
So you see this balloon? Now let's blow it up. You too. You see, the air is trapped inside. That makes it in this shape. But when you let the air go, it transforms back into its original size. Like this.
And this.
So in this way, we proved air occupies space. Now let's move on to the next property. So now let's talk about air doesn't have a shape. So if you fill air in this ball, it will come out like a circle. And if you fill air into a balloon, it will come out like an oval. And if you fill air into a swimming tube or a bicycle wheel or anything else that could be filled with air, they will come out different shapes. So now let's move on to the next property. So now let's prove air exerts pressure. So let's do this simple experiment. So you put a glass near your mouth and then suck all all the air in. The air that gets sucked will make the force, and then the glass will stick to your mouth, and then the air outside it will like push it toward our mouth, keeping it sticking. So now let's try it. Put it near your mouth. Suck all the air in and leave. And when we close our bread, it falls down. So we just proved air exerts pressure. Now let's move on to the next property. So now we are going to do an experiment with hot water and cold water. So in the hot water, the balloon will blow up, and in the cold water, the balloon will not blow up. Now let's try it. The balloon is slowly blowing up. You see it? Now let's shift to the cold. You see that? It did not blow up in the cold water. Hot. See? The hot water is making it blow up. See? It's standing now. And then into the cold. So this was an experiment. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.